you earn hundreds of dollars easily. It doesn't matter if you've never made a dime online, have no skills or knowledge, and have never been online. I will guide you step by step in this video, so watch until the end if you want to know how. Please remember to smash that like button down below in appreciation if you liked my content and want to see more. Please subscribe to this channel so that you can receive notification when a new video appears if you haven't already done so. So, let me get to the video so you can see everything I showed you. So a site we will be using today to get paid, guys, is the one right here called Hatchfold, Shopify.com. Right now off the bat, this isn't related to Shopify in any way, shape, or form. So don't let the name confuse you. Now what this site does is basically, as said right here, create stunning logos in seconds. And the best part is that this is a completely free platform. And in this video, I will walk you through the entire process step by step as promised in the intro, in order to show you just how easy and fast it is to create a logo with this website. And from there, I will show you exactly where you can get paid a lot of money for those same logos so that you can actually make money online and get paid over and over again, even if you have no design skills whatsoever. Now with all that said, guys, you can go on this site and read more about it. But I won't do that as I will not prolong this video. So let me show you exactly what you need to do when you come on here, which is click on Get Started right over here. Doing so will now bring you over to this page. You now just need to select what is your logo related to. So are you creating a logo for a tech company or some food company or whatever? When you choose the niche in question, just click on Next. Now on the next page is where you will choose your visual style. So you have bold, calm, reliable, classic, and so on. As was the case previously, depends highly on what your customer's asking of you. In my case, I just went along with conservative here just as an example. With that done, you will now add the name of the company for which you are creating this logo for, and you could also add a slogan, although that's optional. Once you do, on the next page, you just have to let them know where the logo you will design will be used, whether it will be used on various online sites, social media, prints, business cards, and so on. And finally, you will now find and pick a logo you want to use. And as you can see here, there is an infinite number of logos that you can pick. They all look absolutely amazing. And as you've seen it for yourselves, this just took a couple of minutes, while it can take someone hours and hours to design a professional logo by themselves. In any case, you now just want to find a logo that you think looks the best. For the sake of this video, let's just open up this one. And here is the literal best part about this website. Not only do they give you all these logos for free, but you can customize them however you want to, which is just awesome. As you can see, you can change the business name and slogan if you have added one. You can change the font of the text. You can change the colors of the logo, the icons, and finally the layout. Just play around with this a bit, guys. Obviously, you want to invest a tiny bit more time into this than I did, since in the end, you want the logo to look as best as you possibly can make it. Now when you are finished and satisfied with the logo, just click on Next. As you can see, I can download this logo by clicking right here, free of charge. Once again, with all that done, now you have your logo. It's time for me to show you a few platforms where you can get paid by selling it. And arguably the best site out there for this particular purpose is called designcrowd.com. This is a website you might have heard of by now, since as far as design is concerned, it's one of the best. If you hover your mouse over categories here, you'll see that they have far more categories than just logo design per se. They've got business card design, web design, WordPress and landing page design, banner ad design, and so much more. Now, something I know you guys will love is that this site is worldwide available. If you hover your mouse over designers and click on See More under designers by country, you will see that there are people working from literally all around the globe. You will have UK, India, Chile, Philippines, us, and so on. So no matter where you guys are coming from, this will work for you. With that said, something you guys will be interested in as well is how much money have people made designing logos on here. And it's literally 6 figures. You can see this for yourselves by hovering your mouse over designers once again and clicking the logo designers, and just check out the numbers. $285,000 made, $278,000 made, $250, $5,000 made, $242,000 made. And if you keep scrolling down, You'll see people that have all made six figures designing these logos. And it's not without reason. A single logo design can pay you up to hundreds of dollars. And thanks to the tool I showed you in the beginning, you can literally design it professionally in 30 minutes. With all that said, you need to create an account on here first. To do so, click on Register in the upper right corner. On the very next page, you want to enter your first name, email address and password. Click on I'm a designer, and finally continue to enter in a few more details before being able to create your account. Once you have your account, in order to find work, what you need to do is hover your mouse over Jobs and click on Logo Design. This will now show you, as you can see, hundreds of people who need a logo design. As I said before, they are all willing to pay hundreds of dollars. Now I must say there is a bit of a downside to this website. And that is that you need to bid for these offers. I know that is something not many of you will like, but look at it like this. You just need a single person to pay you to earn hundreds of dollars in minutes. So in the end, it is well worth it. With that said, what you can do to maximize your profits is create gigs on a few freelancing platforms. This is an optional step. But if you don't want to just bid for offers, it can be very helpful in getting customers. Now I'm not going to recommend Fiverr for this one, since I know most of you dislike it due to the sheer amount of competition. Instead, you want to use one of these two platforms. The first is peopleperhour.com. The second one is SEOclerk.com. Both of these retain a very decent number of customers, but don't have nearly as much competition as Fiverr does, which makes them ideal for beginners. And just like it was the case with Design Crowd, there are people here that have made $1,000s of dollars. This person, for example, is charging $155 and has had over 1,800 sales. As you can see, that is no less than $300,000, which is even more than those designers over on Design Crowd. So as you can see, designing these logos is well worth it on People Per Hour here. And just keep in mind that thanks to that tool, you can design a logo with little to no effort. Anyways, what you need to do on either of these is register first. To do so on People Per Hour, click on Sign Up right here. And to do so on SEOclerk, you need to click on Join, then just enter some basic details and create a gig. Now something of note is that just like on Fiverr, you won't be getting that many customers at first. So don't have unrealistic expectations. As in the beginning, you won't have any reviews. But once you get a couple good reviews, it all gets easier from there. And you can combine these two sites with Design Crowd to earn a lot of money designing logos with ease. Now with all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it, if you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss on any future videos just like this one, then click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.